related content, sort of like the you may also like right here. Title, subtitle, body text, images, all of that is possible. And then we've got the category and the date and then company or business name, whoever posted it. So if there's an issue, you can report the content. Okay, so that's content here. Let's go back to the profile. What I really want to focus on is what the owner does. So let's say this is a content card. I'm the owner. I want to add content. I go here, add new content. I open this modal. I can put my title. I can put a optional subtitle. I can put a thumbnail image, which will go here, thumbnail image. And I have various formatting tools. Okay. Bold, italics, underline. Yeah, some of the basic ones, heading 1, 2. We have in these dev notes, you can read the definitions of what this looks like. Here is where I would add the topics, and I can choose any of these. Same thing, basically anything from this document. Always, this is a popular document, as you can see. You come back to this document a lot. So I can add up to 3 tags, which again, that appears right here, right? This little gray box. Okay, so that's creating the content. Now, when I create the content, I can save it as a draft, right? And then it's basically hidden. I mean, if I save it as a draft, I don't want to say it's hidden. If I save it as a draft, it's not published, but it's saved. Okay, I could publish it, other people could see it, or I could save it as a draft. If it's saved as a draft, then it will have this draft mark on it.
Yeah.
Okay. And I can later go back and edit that. Okay. If I'm editing it, let's go over here. We have more developed options here. So this is add new content. This is editing. Let's say editing a draft, because that's what we've been talking about. Let's say I open that and I want to edit that. I edit my draft. I can decide to continue to save it as a draft or to publish it.
Yeah.
If it's already published, I can also edit it. Then it would look like this. It says edit content. Now, I can't save it as a draft anymore because it's already been published, right? So all I can do is click save changes here. We don't have a delete button here, but we do have more options on the card itself. So if you go back and you look at the card, you can see more options. So if it's already published, for example, this is already published, I can click to delete here. I could also click to delete a draft here.
Yeah.
Okay. I will also point out the little eye icon, I can hide it. So even though it's already published, if I want to hide it, I can hide it by clicking the eye icon. I don't have the eye for the draft because nobody sees it anyway. Okay. I will go ahead and mention now boosting. Boosting is when, through our Refer a Friend program, we offer the user the ability to target an audience for 1 week and to appear higher in search results by targeting an audience. This is earned through the referral program. So, for example, this is a boosted item and the boost starts 12/21/24. So when I want to boost something, either depending on what the item is, there'll be a boost text button or there'll be a rocket. So in this case, it's a rocket. Now, if I click that, let me go to where the boosting is. Here. It looks the same every time. This is the boost modal. Your boosted post will be highlighted to businesses in your target audience. So this one is for a product, but similar thing for content or deals. I can boost products, services, content, deals. So this would be the name. This would be the start date with the picker. And then this would be the target audience. Target audience, you can guess, that comes from 1, 2, 3, just the numbers, right?
Okay.
Okay, so that comes from that list. And then you confirm the boost, and then you'll see the little gold scheduled tag for that one.
Actually, how many? You are charging for boosting, or how? I mean,
so we don't charge anything for boosting. Boosting is earned through the Refer a Friend program. So this is the Refer a Friend program. I'll go ahead.